Winters and delicious hot steaming spinach recipes are a perfect combo, be it nutrition or it taste. What if I say this recipe has no onion garlic, can be enjoyed during any festivities and can be prepared within minutes? Yes, you heard it right. This recipe of spinach and cottage cheese, or basically we call it Palak Paneer, is made without onion garlic, and the look, the taste all were unaltered. Enriched with multivitamins, proteins, dish is normally prepared using onion garlic, but this version will blow your mind. Make sure you try this winter season, especially with the seasonal palak or spinach. And the best part is that in this recipe I have not blanched the spinach, directly will be making this gravy. So stay tuned for the small tips and bits to make this delicious palak paneer recipe without onion garlic. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with this delicious palak or spinach recipe. So for this recipe I have taken here 1 kg of palak. You can also make this recipe using half a kg of palak. These leaves I have nicely washed. The green color hue, I am just in love with this winter season palak or spinach because this is very seasonal. So to prepare the gravy I will be using some whole spices, black peppercorns, and I have taken 1 black cardamom. I have deseeded it, some mace, cinnamon sticks, and I have taken here some cloves and some green cardamom. So I'll add around 2 tablespoons of oil and I'll add the whole spices. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame, because as this gravy is without onion garlic, so some flavoring is a must. Once it is sauteed for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame, I will be adding some ginger and green chilies. Green chilies I like a little bit spicy version. If you want you can reduce the amount, but make sure you add some green chilies. Tomatoes I have added 2 medium sized tomatoes and half a teaspoon of salt I will be adding, and I will roast all these tomatoes, green chili and ginger with the spices for around 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame till the tomato starts to soften. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame, and now at this point I will be adding the washed palak or spinach leaves. So the thing to take care here is that as we are directly using this kadhai, so in high flame I will be adding this spinach leaves, number 1, and this spinach leaves need to be cooked just for 2 minutes in high flame. That's it. In 2 minutes, the maximum flame, this spinach leaves will immediately soften but will retain their color. If the flame is low or if we just overcook it, then we don't get the nice green color of palak paneer that we normally expect. So here's the trick: in high flame I'll just saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I let it cool in room temperature, and then I'll use a mixer grinder to make a fine puree. So here I'll be adding this palak, all the spices and tomatoes, ginger, everything goes in, and this is the water that is released from spinach, and now I'll blend it to a fine paste. You can see the color, it's perfect without blanching. We can have also a nice gravy. Now let's prepare. So I need to slightly fry my paneer pieces, but the trick here to make paneer pieces nicely fried in less oil is that I'll add around half a teaspoon of salt in hot oil, and I have taken just 4 tablespoons of oil, and you can see in this 4 tablespoons of oil I'll be frying my paneer or cottage cheese pieces. Once the oil is nicely heated, I had sprinkled some salt, and now goes the paneer pieces. It will take just 1 to 2 minutes, and I don't need it to be deeply fried, shallow fried, and it's done. You can see the texture, it's perfectly done in around 4 tablespoons of oil. In the same oil and in the same pan, I'll be adding the prepared spinach puree. Make sure when you add the puree, the temperature should be low. And then to this I'll be adding Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder 1 tablespoon, Turmeric Powder half a teaspoon, Red Chilli Powder half a teaspoon, Cumin Powder 1 teaspoon and Coriander Powder 1 tablespoon. And as I had taken 1 kg of spinach, that's the ratio of the masalas. If you are reducing it, do adjust the spice level accordingly. And now I'll increase the flame to medium, cover it and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. That's it. In 3 to 4 minutes, the rawness of the spices will be absorbed nicely. Give it a mix, and I'll just add half a cup more of water. The gravy again depends upon your taste. Dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi goes in, around 1 tablespoon. The fried paneer pieces I have added. Again I'll give it a mix, and to balance the flavor, here's a trick. So I'll be adding, as I said, I'll be adding a half cup of water, the prepared spinach water. Salt I had added as per taste, because already I had added some salt in the tomatoes. Do adjust accordingly. And then goes some fresh cream. It's around 5 to 6 tablespoons. 2 to 3 tablespoons I'll be adding at this stage, and lastly I'll be adding some more. So here 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream goes in. If you do not have fresh cream, you can also add the malai. And to balance the flavors, I will add half teaspoon of sugar and chaat powder and chaat masala. This will really change the game. Do try this combination. You will be in love with the flavors of this palak paneer, that too without onion garlic. Give it a mix. I'll cover it, and now reduce the flame to lowest, and I'll let it simmer for around 4 to 5 minutes more, till all the paneer pieces absorb the flavors, and our palak paneer is deliciously done. You can see the consistency of the gravy. It goes very well with some hot rice or with the rotis or parathas. Switch off the flame. You can add the remaining 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream, and now it's time to serve our hot steaming delicious protein packed and vitamin packed palak paneer, or you can call cottage cheese in the spinach gravy. So this is how I'll garnish it, and yes, I'll also garnish with some ginger juliennes. Actually, I love the flavor of this ginger juliennes, and it's completely optional. If you want, you can also avoid it. And here's toast to my recipe. Because normally this recipe, palak paneer or cottage cheese and spinach gravy, is made with onion garlic with lots and lots of cream, but this version is my recent favorite, and I also tried this version in the festive season and everyone loved it. So I thought this recipe is a must share recipe for all of you. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Sunil Bhatta. He writes, love it, keep sharing healthy, easy to make recipes. Thank you so much for your appreciation. I'm so glad that you love my recipes, and my recipes are watched by beautiful souls like you. Thank you for your words of appreciation. Stay safe and stay connected. And for this recipe, do try this version of no onion garlic palak paneer. Your family will definitely love it. And if you have liked my video, liked my effort, do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Su's Food Corner in Instagram and Facebook. And if you also want, you can share it to your family members. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.